Hello, I'm Chef Jackie Angpo. I'm here again to share another exciting dessert recipe I've created with Del Monte Kitchenomics. Today, we're making Frozen Fiesta Buko Pandan. As a chef, I like to be adventurous in the kitchen by adding a twist to traditional recipes. Kaya ngayon summer na, I've decided to add a frozen fruity twist to the classic Buko Pandan by adding Del Monte Fiesta Fruit Cocktail. Start by mixing together coconut cream, buko juice, condensed milk, and reserve syrup from Del Monte Fiesta Fruit Cocktail with the unflavored gulaman. Heat mixture until the gulaman dissolves. Use clear gulaman for this recipe para ma-highlight ang kulay ng fruit cocktail when we mix it in. Mix in half a can of Del Monte Fiesta Fruit Cocktail. I've chopped the fruit cocktail to medium dice so that it evenly spreads out. The Fiesta Fruit Cocktail adds a fruity flavor to the Buko Pandan. Gulaman will set at room temperature kaya hindi na ito kailangan ilagay sa chiller. Beat the cream until it has doubled in volume. Fold in the creamer and the condensed milk. Then add the Buko Pandan flavoring. Beat cream until nice and stiff. Once the gulaman is set, cut it into cubes. Summertime is perfect for family bonding since my kids are usually on summer vacation. With this recipe, we get to enjoy a cold and delicious treat together. Now, add the buko meat and pour in the pandan cream. Mix it all together. Transfer it into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish and top with the remaining chopped Fiesta Fruit Cocktail. Cover this with cling wrap and place it in the freezer overnight. Now make the sauce by heating together coconut cream and cocoa jam. Transfer it in a container and let it cool completely. When the Buko Pandan is nice and frozen, it is ready to serve. Scoop out a portion and place in a cup. Drizzle with cocoa jam sauce and top with pinipig. You are now ready to enjoy your frozen Fiesta Buko Pandan. What I really love about this dessert is that it's my 3 favorite summer desserts rolled into one. The classic Fiesta fruit salad, refreshing Buko Pandan, and ice cream. And that's how you give an exciting twist to the traditional Buko Pandan. Find more inspiring recipes with Del Monte Kitchenomics. Get this recipe on the website by clicking the link. Don't forget to subscribe to our Del Monte Kitchenomics channel for more recipe inspirations. Thank you mga ka-kitch and happy cooking!